this is the star of the show. This is a 65-inch rollable TV that comes out and literally is just right in front of you. Look at this.
Mercedes reached out and they said, we have this concept car that we want you guys to check out. It's called the Vision V. Here it is. We got 1 day with it, 1 day. And unfortunately, Lou is sick today, okay? He can't make it in. Will, me, and Mo are gonna do our best to show you guys what to expect. And here we go.
So guys, super exciting. This is called the Mercedes Vision V. And I mean, look at this thing. This thing is futuristic. You can kind of see that it's super flowy. It just looks like a dream car.
And look, it's no glass. It's like, there's no glass.
So here we have over 400 LED lights, and even here, this is a Mercedes first, where the emblem actually lights up as well. So the lights, as you can see, the indicator lights flow through with a nice orange, which stretches out into the side mirrors and actually flows through the back as well. I mean, we can take a look at the back. Look at this. This is a full-on circular lighting. Like, just look at it. It's beautiful. So this paint is actually called Aloe Beam, and it's proprietary to Mercedes. It's supposed to reflect certain environmental lights. So it changes with the environment that it's in. And this entire back piece is one piece of glass, half painted, and you can kind of see the honeycomb pattern here. It's a nice texture to it. All these little intricate details. Now, these are the chrome wheels, 24-inch. They also light up as well. And it seems to have a nice gradient coming out from the side. It's not super intense, it's just super subtle. Very cool. It's obviously an EV, so it doesn't have any fins here, but you can kind of see the design of the headlights translate to all the lights around here as well. And they animate. So before we go in, there's a couple of cool features around the outside. The glass is actually transparent. You can kind of see, look at that. It's slightly transparent with a nice tint, and you can kind of see a little peek inside. It's a little taste. Super modern, super sleek. So as you can tell, we're gonna have a couple wires that's installed here. And the reason is because it's a show car, it's a concept car, and it needs to be plugged in. So there's some pretty cool tech here. On the other side, there's facial recognition. Since there are no handles, it recognizes your face and then opens up. This one also has a screen here. If you're looking for a taxi, a luxurious taxi, you can maybe spot your name here or something, right? That's kind of cool. But if you actually just touch it, here we go. Look at that. Whoa. Check this out. This is intense. This is what everyone would be looking for a ultra futuristic vehicle. I mean, you just want to live in there. All of this detail, look at this. There's sunglasses in here with a display case, like a shopping mall experience. Like, look at the displays here. Like, you have your phone, you have your tablet, and everything here is just well lit. You'll notice that there's going to be a lot of lights inside, much like how all modern vehicles have. But what makes it really special is that they infuse the light into the car itself, where it does look very subtle, but it also brightens up the space into more of like an ambient mode or something. And all Mercedes vehicles, at least the new ones, have this kind of subtle LED ambient kind of just in the background. So these chairs are also custom designed. As you can see, this is not a normal looking chair. It's actually folded into the design like a loop or a figure 8 or something. It's very unique. Again, everything here just seems so clean and ultra modern. It almost feels like a futuristic condo. Yeah. I mean, I definitely could drive some long stretches in this car. UI and entertainment and settings within the car, easily reachable. Nice on the steering wheel, it's leather wrapped. You have all your settings here as well. Capacitive buttons and tactile switches here.
So this video has been sponsored by the Safy 9 dash cam. If you want to upgrade the tech on your existing vehicle, then this is definitely the way to do so. This is a 4K UHD front-facing dash cam, and it actually has a rear module as well. So it will record video from up front and back, and the rear one wires into the front one where everything is recorded onto a micro SD card slot. There you can see what the display is gonna look like. And I've also got their hardwire kit here. And this lets you know what the app looks like. You can see you have a live view on your phone. So essentially your phone will connect to this device so you can easily get your clips off of here without necessarily removing the micro SD card. And you can buy it with a couple different micro SD configurations. This one has a 64 gig included. So you get these electrostatic stickers which help with installation and protect your windshield. All the variety of accessories you're gonna need to get this thing set up. Now you can get power to the dash cam in two different ways, either via USB directly with a 5-volt output that your car probably has, or you can send this cable into the 5-volt 2-amp cigarette lighter style, and you can power it that way. Here is the dash cam itself, the Safy 9 4K UHD. Here is where we're gonna install our micro SD card. This is our DC in for power. We've got a power button on the other side. It's all fairly compact, and of course you've got the large display there in order to monitor what's going on. 4K UHD resolution, Sony Starvis sensor, a 3.16-inch IPS touchscreen, plus there's an app, AI powered night vision. So here is the rear camera. So even if you get rear-ended or some kind of nefarious activities going on behind your vehicle, you're catching that as well. So if you're looking to upgrade the tech on your existing car, go ahead and check out the Safy 9 4K UHD Wi-Fi enabled dash cam.
Here we go. Wow, look at this. This is what we all came here for. As you can see, everything is automated, including the doors, and you have a track there that just comes up. Look at this. So this is the place you want to be in. The driver's seat is great, but the back seat is intense. Look at this. It's almost got like a chandelier thing going on. Okay, yeah, I feel uncomfortable this in there. It's like, what am I doing? But here we go. I guess I'm going in. All right, so here we go. So this is the first time I've been in here, and wow, okay. I feel like this is not a vehicle. I don't think that it is. When I walk in here, I just feel like this is some sort of futuristic tunnel. And everything here seems to be so organic, but modern as well. I mean, there's a chess set here for some reason, where people can set up a chessboard right here. So you take this, push it back. These two tables come out like that. Then, look at that. With cup holders too. You have a chessboard. This is a mini table as well, but you can extend it to something that's bigger.
Well, all right.
So if you want to have a laptop here, if you want to have snacks for two people, there you go. It's like every single thing that I look at is so intelligently designed. Like this thing, I can look at it for hours. I mean, obviously this is a speaker. Mo thought it was a vacuum at first. Obviously, speakers can be designed along the walls of the car, but when it's directed towards you, you just feel like you're in some sort of theater. These chairs are quite comfortable, but as you can see that there's a footrest here as well. So these seats can actually go zero gravity. Oh God. It's almost like these ridges on the seat has a massage function in and of itself. I can't really explain it. It's just very, very relaxing, very comfortable. Let's get to the entertainment side. This is the star of the show. This is a 65-inch rollable TV that comes out and literally is just right in front of you. Look at this. This is where the experience takes it to another level. You have the comfortable seats, you have the 65-inch TV, you have over 40 speakers, but you have 7 other projectors that's tied into this car. Look at this. It gets translated onto the window, onto the roof. I saw some projections on the floor. Now you feel like you're watching the Aurora Borealis. You're here. You are right here. And everything gets tied together. I mean, look at those little dots there, the projections. When you're looking outside, you can also see the Borealis outside. It's projected on the window. So there's a couple animations here that really showcase the projection. Whatever shows on screen, it fans out into the windows as well. And it's very subtle, but it just makes everything so much more immersive. Along with the colors, along with... Wow, look at that. There you go. But here's the F1 movie. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. You get a full theater experience.
In every moment.
This is the Dolby demo that it's showing. And you can really feel, you can really hear the surround sound.
Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene.
Wow.
What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go.
Or captures the full
And look at this
extent
bar here. It shows you how long the video is playing.
of nature's fury.
That's not on the display, that's a projection.
Every time that happens.
That is so cool. So obviously you have a TV that's in front of you, but if you want to see what is actually in front of you, in front of the car, you'll have this view that will display the street and where the car is going, so you don't feel lost or disoriented. So you can also shop if you want to do some shopping while you're waiting in this car. Look at that, you can buy your own vehicle here. What is this, an NFT or something? You can buy some perfume, look at that. A diamond ring, look at, you know, when you're ready for the big commitment there. So there's also a work mode. There's a meeting and then you can join. There's cameras that will show you.
Good to see you.
Hello.
We're just discussing the outcome of our Vision V project.
This is,
Well,
yeah, obviously there's some things that are scripted here. There's a relax mode. If you just want to turn everything off after a long meeting at work or something, you can just go to zero gravity mode, relax, watch the Borealis. And also what you'll see is your destination, distance, you see the time. It's super subtle. You're fully immersed, but you also want to be informed. So what's really cool, you can also game here. So this display is 65 inches and it's also using LG's technology with rollables. So this OLED screen can actually roll downwards. As you can see, it rolls down to the floor of the cabin. This also has a feature where the screen can roll down to about a quarter of the way and produce a nice fireplace. And it will show off more of the fireplace down at your feet with these lighting panels. So this will also give you a nice view of the front glass if you want to see what's up ahead. You can have it fully transparent, or you can have it striped, or you can have it fully opaque and see nothing.
Okay, there you have it, guys. This is the first look at the Mercedes Vision V concept car. Apparently next year they're going to be coming out with the real thing. There's going to be two versions, the VLE, which is the family extended larger version, and the VLS, which is the more luxurious teched out version. So be on the lookout for those. And I don't know, I would say, Will, I think Lou might be out of a job now. I think we have a new host of Unbox Therapy.